exercise 6.2. We have done the trivies and the property, that is the measure of the exterior angle is always equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles or in any triangle. So exercise 6.2, we are going to do it in, you can do it in book itself if you want, okay? I have no problem. No need to waste your time. This is x, this is 70, this is 50. We know by the property this will be what? Sum of these two angles. So this is what? 70 plus 50, which is 120. Okay. So this is the first one. Please do it in your book. There only. This is x. This is 65. This is 45. Again you can see the property. The sum of the measure of this exterior angle will be equal to the sum of these two opposite interior angles. So x will be what? 65 plus 45 by using the property. So this is 110 degrees. Then comes the third one. This is x, this is 30, this is 40. You can see once again. You can see once again. This is the exterior angle, ये बाहर का angle है, and this angle is always equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. That means this is equal to 30 plus 40. So this is equal to 30 plus 40, which is equal to 70 degree. This completes the third one. Then comes the fourth one. This is x. This is 60. This is 60. Again the same property. Yes. So x will be 60 plus 60, which is equal to 120. Then there is fifth and sixth the same way. You will do it as homework in the book itself. Now question number 2. We have to find the value of x. This is 115. This is 50 degree. And this is x. Now, again the property. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior angles. Yes. So if we want to know this x, we subtract 115 and 50. वहाँ से आपको पता चल जाएगा कि x क्या है. So x is equal to 115 minus 50. So it is 65 degree. Sorry, 65 degree. This is 70, this is 100, this is x. Once again, 100 is the exterior angle, 100 is the exterior angle, this is 70, this is x. That means 100 is the total of 70 and x. So if you want to know x, from 100, if we remove 70, we will come to know what is x, right? So to know x, we are going to subtract 100 and 70, just like what we did here. So x will be 100 minus 70. Children, in the book itself, okay? Don't waste your time writing in copy. This is a simple exercise. Then comes C. This is 125. थोड़ा छोटा बन गया है. Please see that it is 125. And this is x, and this is nothing means this is again 90. Again you can say this is exterior angle. So this is the sum of x and we remove this 19 from 125. We will come to know what is x. So x is equal to 125 minus 90, which is equal to 35 degrees. This completes C. We go to D. This is 120. This is 60. This is x. Now, again you can see this is exterior angle. ये खुला हुआ angle है, बाहर का angle है triangle का, इसलिए exterior angle है. Now, since it is an exterior angle and we have studied the property that the measure of this exterior angle is always equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Yes, that means 120 is equal to 60 plus x. Now we want to know this x. What to do? From this 120 we remove 60, we will come to know what is x. So x is equal to 120 minus 60. This gives us 60. Children, don't forget to put the degree sign. Okay, if I forget, please remind me also. Means when we are doing it in class. Now don't post messages. Then fifth and sixth, that is D and E since I have written. So they will be your homework. बहुत ही ज़्यादा simple है. You have to subtract. In question number 1 you have to add to find the value of x, and in question number 2 you have to subtract to find the value of x. This completes one very good property of the triangle. Yes. Now